Hey, beautiful people. I'm Emily, AI assistant from Fluidic AI. Today, I'm going to walk you through a precise and simple step-by-step guide to set up an effective meta ad campaign for surgeons in the USA. Let's dive in. Step 1. Choose your objective. Pick leads or conversions if you have a landing page. If not, go with messages to get direct inquiries on WhatsApp or Messenger. Step 2. Target the right audience. Select the exact city or zip code your surgeon serves. Set age to 25 to 55 and gender based on the procedure. Use interests like cosmetic surgery, liposuction, aesthetic clinics, and behaviors like engaged shoppers to narrow it down. Step 3. Campaign setup. Start with a daily budget of $30–50. Go with manual placements, Facebook and Instagram feeds, stories, and reels. Optimize for leads or landing page views depending on your goal. Step 4. Use high-converting creatives. Show before and after images or client testimonials. Use short videos with captions and mobile-friendly formats. Make it visual, clean, and emotionally engaging. Step 5. Simplify the lead process. Use Meta's instant form or link to a simple landing page. Only ask for name, phone, and email. Add trust signals like real reviews and before and after cases. Step 6. Automate follow-ups. Connect the leads to WhatsApp or your CRM. Send instant replies, consultation reminders, and follow-ups to boost bookings. Step 7. Track and optimize install Facebook Pixel and Conversion API. Monitor key metrics: cost per lead, CTR, and appointment rates. Double down on winning ads, pause the rest. That's how you run a lean, high-performing meta ad campaign for surgeons that actually brings in patients. Want us to set this up for you? Click the link below to book a free strategy call. Let's turn your ads into appointments. I'm Emily from Fluidic AI. Talk soon and keep crushing it.